another Monday. Yay! Alright, human, let's go to work. You and I. Let's concentrate. Let's go to work. It's usually so peaceful when I'm headed for work. One of the things I did today was to check on some items that were delivered to the cafeteria, and it was back to my desk again. So I went to get some items, and it's so windy, so windy. See how my hair is going back and forth. Let's go and walk. Let's go. Mr. V. Hey, human. It's a Tuesday. Let's go to work. One thing I like about working is that you get personal growth and learning experience. So continuously learning and growing in your role can also enhance your enthusiasm for work. The prospect of acquiring new skills, tackling fresh challenges, and reaching higher levels of expertise can make each day feel like an opportunity to improve and excel. So, time to come take this order from Zatek, and we are off back to work. Next stop is Otako Market to pick up more items, and I found this delicious puff puff. I had to get me some. And I came to receive invoices from Abubakar, and I am getting complimentary carrots. Remember Abubakar? There is Abubakar. And there is tangerine available now. So let's see what recipe we'll come up with tangerine. Coming to the market is not easy. See? It's so stressful. I am sweating. I am tired. Time to leave the market. Alright guys, let's go. See that troublemaker short boy? See how short he is. Kai Mohammed, alright, let's go guys. I came to the market with Mr. Jonathan, and it's time to leave the market. Let's go. From Otako Market, I went to another market, Wuse Market. I went to Wuse Market to get uniforms for the driving department. Afterwards, I went to church for Bible studies. I love Bible studies at my church. It is so easy to understand, and then just, rubbing minds and hearing other people's perspective. I headed home after Bible studies. It rained. It was so beautiful, and I created a food content. You should check it out. Absolutely delicious. Hey human, it is Wednesday, and I am super stoked, and yeah. It's time to go to work. Let's go do this. Let's see what today will have for us. Let's go. It was such a beautiful day this morning, and I love to listen to news on my way to work. Now, beyond passion, a sense of purpose can profoundly impact your daily outlook on work. Understanding how your role contributes to a greater mission or positively affects the lives of others can be incredibly motivating. It gives your work meaning and a sense of fulfillment that just transcends the daily grind. Each morning becomes a chance to fulfill your purpose and make a difference. even if it means you will yawn a million times in a day. My dear human, I was done for the day and heading back home. The weather was so beautiful, and I got this lovely welcome by this darling brother of mine. I just love him. He's a big baby. Human, it's a Thursday. Let's go to work. Let's go. It's been such beautiful weather these days. Hey, human. On this day, I talked about being thankful.
You are able to move out of your bed. Another miracle.
I will add that looking forward to going to work each morning is not a far-fetched dream but an achievable reality. You nurture your passion, align it with purpose, and cultivate a positive work environment. You can absolutely transform your daily routine into a source of joy and fulfillment. I did price verifications. Hey, human. It is a Friday. It is the end of the week. There was a lot to do today. But hey, an opportunity to grab boiled corn to wrap up this day, and of course to give you a fashion show. But hey, I have a question. Why is it that some people genuinely look forward to going to work every morning while others count down the hours until the weekend? Do you have an answer? The answer lies in the profound connection between passion, purpose, and a positive work environment. That's all I have for you. That was a lot. But I hope this is a content that you've enjoyed. I guess that's all I have for you this week. Please like this video, leave me a comment or two, and give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I will see you in